Thing you need is those bitter cold temperatures well below freezing. We have seen some instances of it, and in terms of ice jams, well, they're more common in northern New England, but we still do get them through central and southern New England at times. Let's talk about a frozen river, for instance, like what we have been seeing across parts of the region. Well, eventually, warmer temperatures and rain, they break that ice apart, and the faster this happens, well, the more substantial the process will be in the development of an ice jam. So you get these large ice chunks, and that ice flow, it starts to push downstream, but once that ice flow kind of travels towards some curved or tight areas, it becomes lodged. And essentially what happens is a little bit of a damming effect or a jamming effect as well. As you can see here, what happens upstream is the blockage. Well, it reduces the flow of the river, resulting in flooding for those upstream locations and raising the water levels. Now, eventually the water kind of does push on through this ice jam, but it usually does come at the cost of some flooding before that actually happens. Now, we can see more issues when warmth and winter kind of clash here. In terms of snow depth, we got to think about it. The water essentially is trapped in the snowpack, so rain and melting releases that water and kind of adds to our waterways. Frozen ground, the rain doesn't seep in immediately. That surface runoff can become an issue, especially when some of our drains are clogged by snowbanks and, of course, that river ice we were just talking about with those river jams. So warmth and winter sometimes clash. Hopefully it doesn't happen too fast, but we've got to keep an eye as we head for that storm system middle of the week.